Mitch McConnell's sister-in-law, Angela Zhao, was drunk when she drove her car into a pond in Texas on February 10, RadarOnline.com has learned. The Blanco County Sheriff's Office concluded Zhao's death was an unfortunate accident. According to the investigative report, released on Wednesday, Zhao's blood alcohol level was 0.233, nearly 3 times the state's legal limit. Shortly before the fatal accident, Zhao, 50, had dinner with a large group of friends at a Johnson City ranch. The report revealed a frantic effort from pals and deputies attempting to retrieve Zhao from her Tesla, which she had backed into a large body of water. Detectives said that around 11:42 p.m., Zhao called one of her friends to tell her she had driven into a pond and was trapped inside her vehicle. Law enforcement and emergency crews arrived at the scene and eventually managed to pull her from the car, but it was already too late. The vehicle was completely submerged, according to a fire report. The deputies were in the water standing on what they believed was the vehicle, trying to gain access to the possible victim inside the vehicle. The 50-year-old was pronounced dead at 1:40 a.m. on February 11. Zhao was the CEO of her family's shipping company, Foremost Group. She also served as the president of her father's charity organization, the Foremost Foundation. Prior to the determination of the cause, the Blanco County Sheriff's Office wrote in a letter to Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton, "This incident was not a typical accident." Although the preliminary investigation indicated this was an unfortunate accident, the Sheriff's Office is still investigating this accident as a criminal matter until they have sufficient evidence to rule out criminal activity. "This has been a particularly difficult time for my family," McConnell said on the Senate floor. "We tragically lost Elaine's younger sister Angela, just a few weeks ago. When you lose a loved one, particularly at a young age, there's a certain introspection that accompanies the grieving process," he added.